Do you want to learn how to protect your 3.0 blower motor from power surges? I'm Michael Starratt. I'm with United HVAC Motors. Let's go ahead and show you how to do this. Here's a 3.0 blower motor, and here's a surge protector for it. It protects against power surges and also brownouts. I'm going to show you how to install it in the system. The first thing you'll do is turn off the power at the main breaker panel. Now that we have the power off, we will remove the high voltage cord, which is the top row on this motor. We have it removed now. The next thing we're going to do is I have another surge protector here to demonstrate this. You'll take this surge protector and you'll plug it in here. The next thing you'll do is you'll take this surge protector and you'll plug it back into your motor. There's also a ground wire that comes off of this. Find a screw and go ahead and connect it to anything metal. Now that this is done, go ahead and turn your main breaker back on. Now that your main breaker is back on, it's fully installed. Today we went over installing a surge protector on a 3.0 blower motor. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe.